Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to be taking a look at 15 popular hair ideas that you can wear this spring and summer season. Loving this platinum lob haircut. Such a gorgeous color with the red lip. Followed by the butterfly bob. This is a look that features gorgeous curtain-style bangs mixed with the bob haircuts. Two very popular looks in one. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to like today's video and of course hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have another bob haircut. This one features more of a traditional silhouette and shape. Followed by this beautiful pixie undercut transformation. Gorgeous color added with this one as well. Beautiful. Next up, we have this mint green mullet style. We're seeing tons of mullets, mixies. That is a play on the mullets, just a smaller, shorter variation. And we're also seeing the return of the mohawk. So a lot of rocker chic inspired styles will be spotted during the spring and summer season this year. Next up we have another pixie cut. This one is beautiful bright blonde coloring, followed by this stunning dark copper colored bob. And then we have another pixie. Now this one could be considered a longer pixie or a bixie hair silhouette. Followed by this beautiful bob haircut. I absolutely love the color that she has mixed in. So pretty. That really lifted up her complexion and added some spice to her style. And then we have this gorgeous curly shaggy cut. Followed by a classic bob. This is also known as the mini bob. Bobs are getting much shorter and pixies are getting longer this season. So here we have another blonde bob. And then we have this gorgeous money piece highlight look. Blonde in the front, dark copper in the back. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.